If your child isn't running, jumping, or climbing like the other kids his age, then this video is for you. Today we're going to talk about what gross motor skills are, how kids fall behind, and what you could do about it. Gross motor skills are the big movements a child does, like walking, crawling, running, climbing, or even kicking a ball. Some kids pick this up quickly, others need a little bit more time or help. Falling behind in gross motor skills does not mean anything is wrong, but it does mean your child needs a little bit of help to catch up. Some signs of delay are easy to miss, like if your child can't jump with both feet, can't climb stairs without holding on, or avoids running or playing. I'm about to show you how you can build your child's skills at home with no pressure. Let's start off by going through some easy activities that help with gross motor skills. These are simple. You don't need any special gear and you can even do them in your living room.
Activity 1, jumping practice.
Start with 2 feet together, then ask your child to jump forward like a frog. If they only lift 1 foot, help them by holding their hands.
Personal tip,
Try using targets or small toys to jump to. It makes it feel like a game more than an exercise. Another great one is stair stepping. If your child avoids stairs, this is a great way to build strength and balance.
Activity 2, step up and down.
Use one low step. Have your child step up with 1 foot, then the other, then back down again. Help him as needed at first.
Personal tip,
The best thing to do is turning it into a rhythm game, like up, up, down, down. Try to keep a steady pace. And if your child resists movements, start with something small that doesn't feel like work. Even something simple like crawling on the floor could help.
Activity 3, tunnel crawls.
This can help with core strength, shoulder muscles, and body control, which are all important for balance and running later on.
Personal tip,
As always, whenever your child doesn't want to compete with it, then just make it a game. Place a toy at the end of the tunnel and tell them to go grab it. Now let's talk about what progress should look like, because sometimes things get better slowly, and that's okay. If your child practices even just a few minutes a day, you should start to see little improvements, like more balance, fewer falls, and more confidence.
my personal tip,
Always celebrate small wins, like one jump or one stair step without help is progress. But if it's been weeks and you haven't seen any changes, that's when it might be time to talk to someone. If your child avoids movement completely or struggles with basic things like running or jumping for more than a few months, it's okay to ask for help. To keep things easy, here's a quick routine that you could try at home today. It takes just 5 minutes.
this is what you should try every single day.
Jump forward 5 times, step up and down for 1 minute, and crawl through a soft tunnel. That's it. Simple, repeatable, and fun. So if you've ever been worried about your child falling behind, don't worry, most kids just need a little extra time. And if you're ever unsure, you can just reach out. You are not alone. As always, like and subscribe.